Hashtag short, guys. I want to show y'all something. It's a prime example of a customer not being honest with you, okay? This car will not start, just spins over. So a technician or a mechanic just fresh on it wouldn't even know. I mean, he would start his diagnostic based on a no-start complaint. Okay, now you can be one of those other technicians just really suspicious, start pulling stuff apart. Look at this, guys. We got the intake off, lower intake. Can you say overheated? Can you say severely overheated? Look, this plastic, somebody called this out in the comment section. I can't remember what kind of plastic this is, but it takes a lot of heat to melt it, right? But look at this. So this intake is solely cooked, right? So what does that say about the rest of it? It's hard to believe customers. I don't know why they can't be honest with you up front, man. It can save everybody a lot of time and money, but I don't know. We're going to have to find out. Well, we can see it was overheated, but we're going to have to find out why, guys. Let's talk about plastic intakes. Everybody on that one video that I uploaded that showed the melted intake manifold, this is not it, but the one I showed on that video, it was real melted. Everybody blaming the manifold. Everybody blaming the intake manifold and the fact that it's plastic. Guys, listen to me. This is not the enemy. The intake manifold being plastic is not the enemy. It's just the casualty of the root cause. The root cause is the engine was severely overheated. Customer kept driving that car until they cooked it. Okay, stop crying about these intake manifolds. They're not going anywhere, guys. They allow for low cost and low weight. So car makers are starting to use them on just about every car. So if you're crying about a plastic intake manifold, guess what? The car you drive likely have a plastic intake manifold. Y'all need to stop it. This is not the enemy. The intake manifold did not cause this problem or cause that problem. All right, just a casualty of the root cause, which was overheating. Stop driving your car if it's running hot.